Stocks in news: Adani Green, WeWork, Jean Kushal Ind, Trualt Bioenergy and PC Jeweler. 1. Adani Green stock jumps 5% in 2 sessions as new projects lift capacity to 16,679 megawatts. In a filing to the exchanges, Adani Green Energy Ltd, AGEL, said that through its step-down subsidiaries, it has operationalized an aggregate of 112.5 megawatts of renewable power projects at Khavda, Gujarat. The projects include an 87.5 megawatt solar facility under Adani Renewable Energy 56 Ltd and a 25 megawatts hybrid plant under Adani Green Energy 25B Ltd. With this, AGEL's total operational renewable generation capacity has climbed to 16,598.6 megawatts. Adani Hybrid Energy Jaisalmer 5 Ltd, a wholly-owned step-down subsidiary, has commissioned an additional 50 megawatts solar project and a 31.2 megawatts wind project at Khavda. This took AGEL's total operational renewable capacity further up to 16,679.8 megawatts. 2. WeWork India IPO kicks off, check analysts' views, latest GMP, anchor details and more. WeWork India is selling its shares in the price band of Rs 615 to 648 apiece, which could be applied for a minimum of 23 shares and its multiples to raise 3,000 crore rupees between 3rd October and 7th October. 3. Jean Kushal Industries shares make a flat debut. Stocks list at 125 rupees for a 3% premium on BSE, NSE. Jean Kushal Industries sold its shares in the price band of Rs 115 to 121 apiece, which could be applied for a minimum of 121 shares and its multiples to raise 116.16 crore rupees between September 25th to 29th. 4. Trualt Bioenergy shares make a decent market debut. Stock lists at 550 rupees for a 11% premium. Trualt Bioenergy sold its shares in the price band of Rs 472 to 496 apiece, which could be applied for a minimum of 30 shares and its multiples to raise 839.28 crore rupees between September 25th to 29th. 5. PC Jeweler shares in focus on debt reduction, festive season gains. Shares of PC Jeweler are in focus today after the jeweler firm said its revenue grew about 63% year-on-year in the second quarter of this fiscal on better demand for gold jewelry during the festive season. The stock ended 2.43% higher at 12 rupees and 66 paise on Wednesday against the previous close of 12 rupees and 36 paise. Total 70.45 lakh shares of the firm changed hands amounting to a turnover of 8.81 crore rupees. The stock has lost 25.13% in a year but risen 381.37% in 2024. Disclaimer: this article provides stock market news for informational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice. Readers are encouraged to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.